Summer vacation. What does it make you think of? Warm weather, pool games, barbecues, and campfires? However hot summer days can be, I think we can all agree on one thing. We need to beat the heat somehow. Whether that's planning a coastal or lakeside getaway, or seeking out locations where temperatures are known to be already on the cooler side, we all have our preferences. National parks are popular destinations in the summer for those wanting to do some hiking, camping, and overall exploring in the great outdoors. The beauty of the national park system is that its vast collection of parks across the country highlight the many different landscapes of each area. Chances are, there's a location close enough to you to make a day trip out of it. If not, here are some ideas of national parks to visit in the summer. Let's start off with the classic summer national park destination, the Great Smoky Mountains. These beautiful ancient mountains cover 522,427 acres along the Tennessee and North Carolina border, and it remains the #1 most visited national park in the entire United States. This park is popular for its scenic drives, hiking, and biking trails, as well as the chances to view wildlife and see historic homes and churches along the way. For not only a memorable vacation, but an affordable one as well, the RCI Exchange has a large number of week-long stays offered in the area. Use the helpful map as a guide to find the perfect location for your trip. Gatlinburg is known as the gateway to the Smokies. Read more about Gatlinburg and how to plan your trip on the Palmera Vacation Club's destination highlights. We're heading westward to our next location, Glacier National Park in Montana. Summertime is the best time to see the sights in this specific park, specifically from late June to mid-September. This is when the park is fully open and the weather is ideal. The highs in the warmest part of the year average at 70 degrees. Hiking, rafting, and fishing are popular activities for visitors, but taking a drive on the Going to the Sun Road is a main attraction. The road crosses the Continental Divide and allows you to see the beautiful landscape filled with mountains, valleys, waterfalls, and glaciers. Visitors are actually able to see glaciers year-round. Finding accommodations for a visit to Glacier National Park is as easy as checking to see what's available through the RCI Exchange. There are less options than what was offered in Gatlinburg, but the variety in West Glacier, Columbia Falls, and even Whitefish are at most a 30 minutes drive away. Our next location is on the second largest Hawaiian island. The Haleakala National Park on Maui is a unique paradise that includes both subtropical rainforest and volcanic landscape. The volcano itself rises 10,000 feet and can be seen anywhere on the island. Although both portions of this park are beautiful and should be experienced, the summertime heat and humidity might make hiking through the coastal trails in search of waterfalls tiring. For cooler weather and unbeatable view, choose to hike through the Summit District. This is exactly where you'll want to be to see the gorgeous sunrise or sunset on Maui. The RCI Exchange does offer a few accommodations on the island, but a car will be a must to visit the park unless you have booked a tour for the day. For more options of resorts and hotels, you can take a look at what's available through Quest Travel Club. Rental cars on the island can be a bit pricey, but Quest always offers great deals that can save you money. You'll be able to save on flights and activities as well. Summer is a season when there's more time to spend with loved ones and reconnect with family. Other than the holiday season, summer is a popular time for family reunions. Countless families and groups meet on Hilton Head Island to spend a week or two making new memories and to keep up with the yearly tradition. Hilton Head's peaceful atmosphere, unique natural beauty, and welcoming community make it the perfect place for families to create lasting memories together each year. Returning families will find many familiar favorites in addition to some new spots that will definitely earn a place in the vacation highlight reels. Coming this spring, The Bank, a new beer garden, restaurant, and live music venue will open. Located just off of Pope Avenue, this new spot will definitely be a hit this summer. An old favorite, Ruby Lee's, is reopened on the north end of the island. Exciting news for fans of this island favorite, Ruby Lee's will host local bands and serve up delicious plates once again. Coffee lovers will be delighted to know that the Lowcountry favorite Corner Perk has opened their Hilton Head location on the north end. Check on the Palmera Go page for more vacation inspiration and island updates.